Oh, right.
Didn't we get double A's?
Yeah, I know.
Is it for me?
What is it?
This is for me.
Wow. Oh, a jumper.
Oh, look at how stylish that is. Let Mommy see. Let's see what size it is.
Wow. Look, shirt. A shirt, Mommy. A real shirt.
14.
Yeah, 14.
How big do you think my baby is?
I think about next Christmas, honey, next Christmas.
Look.
He's got a puzzle. He's got a dog.
Yeah.
He's got your cabbage patch.
Yeah.
He's got your a big book. Yeah, what's in there? What's in that one?
I don't know that one.
That's a big present.
Oh.
Whoa, you want some help?
Yeah, I want to help.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's a dress-up princess outfit.
Yeah.
Wow, you've got shoes and a necklace and a tiara. Earrings. Wow.
Earrings.
A necklace. It's mine.
Yeah, it's yours.
Yeah. Whoa. How did that happen?
It got a fairy handle.
You scared me. You scared me.
Yeah, he's scaring you?
Yeah.
I can't believe you got a cabbage patch.
Yeah.
Err.
Well, I told
That's a jealous mummy. Ha ha.
Yes, my
Yeah, but you had a unique cabbage patch.
Yeah, I did. My Nana made it.
Oh yeah, well there you go.
You got one more.
What?
Ooh, look at the big present. She struggled with the last one, so you might have to help
He's
her.
more. Daddy, he's more.
Need some help?
Yeah, I need some help.
Come on, mummy, help you open it up. There we go.
Give me the paper. Give me the paper, please.
You've been throwing them in the bin. You've been quite good with them.
Come on, let's find out what's in the present. I don't care where the paper goes right now.
You've been a good girl. Leave her alone.
Yeah, you were right. That is the doll that goes with the other thing that she opened. Oh, it doesn't come with the baby. It's not a baby, honey.
What?
Your cabbage patch is a baby.
Yeah, the baby.
This is your stroller.
Yeah.
Your hand thingamajiggy.
Yeah.
The backpack for the baby.
Yeah.
And one more thing. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
What the hell's the other thing? Oh, here we go.
Happy birthday,
Oh, and a little high chair. She slipped a little high chair to go with her
Oh,
eating.
no way. Say thank you, Santa.
Can't tell me.
Say thank you, Santa.
No, you can't tell me.
You gotta say thank you, Santa.
No.
Gotta say Merry Christmas.
No.
Happy New Year.
No.
Yeah.